其实我比较在意是我们的洋将搭配是谁，我不会去管他们的搭配是谁，因为大家如果看就是 Hicks 跟杰伦的搭配，的确对到我们是3战是2胜，在例行赛当中。可是唯一输的那一场就是我们 Mike 配 Z， 那前面都不是 Mike 配 Z， 是 Chuck 配 Z、Chuck 配 Mike 这些。那所以我蛮在乎的是我们的洋将配的是谁，所以他们已经换过了嘛。那我不觉得下一场球他们会派杰伦跟哈克吧，我不知道啦。我当然希望好，那你就换一下好了，你干脆就每一场都换，让这种方式来打。所以我倒是觉得说我们自己做好，因为冠军赛不是看他们怎么出招，而是我们有没有做好准备啊。我们第一场没有做好准备嘛，那我们就是主场就没了。所以我会希望我们还是 focus 在自己的准备，比去面对他们来的重要。
Good. I practice with the team, so I wouldn't say I'm not contributing to winning, but just doing my job, and that's really all I can do.
那其实他在练习的时候就是非常认真，不管他当天有没有比赛，他是非常认真。每一天只要是训练的课，他都全力以赴。所以他相信他在对球队的过程上一定有贡献，并不是说他必须要上到球场上才会对球队的胜利有所贡献。他从这样觉得他就必须要做好这件事情。
I think their 3-2 zone really bothered us. They played it against us about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, and we really executed well against it. And today we didn't, and I think it really just took us out of the game and really bothered us. But then on top of that, they really out-hustled us and outworked us. They had a lot more energy, and it showed on the scoreboard.
那他们今天教练就提到说，他们今天不光采取了3-2区域的防守，其实在大概2个月前的时候对待我们的时候也有拿来用。那不过当时来讲，我们的进攻算是执行面做得很好，所以其实来讲的话并没有对我们造成太大的困扰。但是确实，因为我们今天在整体的进攻的执行面上是不好的，当然对方要打得比我们积极，求胜欲望比我们更高的情况下，所以当然今天的结果是如此。
So how much people they on the ball the set number of
I mean, they came out and did exactly what they were supposed to do. When the team loses on their home court in game 1, they're going to come out extra focused, extra physical, and we didn't match that physicality right away. And it gave them confidence to continue to shoot the ball well, to move the ball wherever they wanted to, and to get wherever they wanted on the floor. So we have to make some adjustments, but in a playoff series, your goal is always to steal one on the other team's home court. And so we get to go home for 2 games now. So we just got to be focused and get ready for game 3.
他会提到说，一开始的时候，他们确实是打得比较积极，而且他们的专注度相当比较高。那反而是我们这边来讲的话，一开始专注度跟强度没有办法及时去平衡达到跟对方一样的强度的时候，我们就自然就掉下来，变成他们越攻越顺，越有信心。那当然我们必须要赶快去调整。那当然，其实我们等于说在这个情况下，反正在客场的时候就希望说能够在这边能够至少取得1胜1败的一个情况。所以当然我们就好好调整好。下礼拜回到主场去面对主场比赛。
对方没有做到比上一场来的好，没关系，就一场比赛输1分也是输这么多也是输嘛。那我们再休息几天，然后下礼拜回到主场彰化，那就回到家里打球会比较舒服一点。对。
Both guys.
就是因为他对这2个球员都有很大的信心，所以今天决定用这样的球。
是说杰伦身体还是不舒服是吗？
我觉得其实不一定。
Yeah, it's not.
他们选手还是不舒服。